What are the top 3 mistakes that people make when selling their home? Selling your home can be an exciting yet daunting experience. To ensure a successful sale and maximize your profits, you need to avoid some common pitfalls that can end up costing you dearly. Today, we'll discuss the top 3 costly mistakes you must steer clear of when selling your home. Pricing incorrectly. One of the most crucial factors in selling a home is setting the right price. Pricing your home too high can discourage potential buyers, leading to it sitting on the market for extended periods. Conversely, underpricing your property means leaving money on the table. To avoid this mistake, work with a knowledgeable local real estate agent who can conduct a comparative market analysis, or CMA, to determine the optimal price for your home. Failing to disclose. Honesty is key when selling a property. Failing to disclose known issues or defects can lead to legal troubles and damage your reputation. Even seemingly minor problems like a leaky faucet or a cracked tile should be disclosed. Full disclosure allows buyers to make informed decisions and prevents future disputes. Going at it alone. While it might be tempting to save on commissions by selling your home yourself, this decision can lead to costly mistakes. Real estate transactions involve complex legal and financial aspects that require professional expertise. A trusted local real estate agent brings a wealth of experience, market knowledge, and negotiation skills to the table. They can help you navigate the complexities of contracts, handle negotiations effectively, and ensure a smoother, more profitable sale.